Let's unbox the Birch Night 4-in-1 Magnetic Bracelet from Magnetic Mobility. Inside the box there is an information leaflet with care instructions and information about the bracelet. And then the bracelet itself is packaged beautifully. The bracelet is our Birch Night. It is a triple strength 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet, meaning that there are 3 elements on every single link. So we have 3 elements of the Neodymium Magnets, 3 of the FIR elements, 3 of the Germanium, and 3 of the negative ions on every single link in this bracelet. To open the catch, simply pop it open, put it on, drape it over your wrist with the catch facing downwards and open. Hook the hook over it and close it with a click. Make sure you hear it click. We do like to make the bracelet quite tight, the secure clasp on it, so don't be afraid to give it a good pull to open it. Alright, you can leave these bracelets on in the shower, when you're sleeping. Leave it on as often as possible. So that is the Birch Night Triple Strength 4-in-1 Magnetic Bracelet from Magnetic Mobility. So the bracelet is available in a variety of sizes on our website. If it's a gift for someone, you can simply choose the gift option, which comes with a sizing tool. And you can scan the QR code with your phone. It'll show you a step-by-step video on how to take the links out of the bracelet if you need to make it smaller. So that is the Birch Night 4-in-1 Magnetic Bracelet, Triple Strength from Magnetic Mobility. It comes in this gift box, but if you would like an eco-friendly version, you can order it in a satin gift bag. It's called the no jewellery box option if you're buying it for yourself or you want to reduce your carbon footprint. So that's the Birch Night, available from magneticmobility.ie.